Today we're making a stir fry with Chinese sausages, onions, and scrambled eggs. I'm working my way through the big bag of onions. It's a 50-pound bag of onions. It was on sale for $7.98. So about halfway through the onions right now. So if you have any recipes for onions, please leave a comment below in the comment section. And like I said, I'm doing pretty good on the onions, halfway through. And I'll be doing more recipes with onions. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online. So this is a very popular brand. It's called Wing Wing Chinese sausage. So this is pork sausage. So this one is another brand. And this Chinese sausage consists of pork and chicken liver. The Chinese sausage like this, you can cut up into pieces. Sometimes you might want to just steam the Chinese sausage before you cook with it. So we're going to use 4 Chinese sausages here. So you can use the regular pork sausage, or you can use the pork and chicken liver. If you like, you can steam your Chinese sausage first, but I just have them chopped up into small pieces like this. So if you want to steam the Chinese sausage so there's less fat, you can do that first. I'm going to go about 8 eggs here. So there's 2 different brands of eggs here. That's why the different colored yolks. So we're just going to beat the eggs. So I got the wok going at medium heat, so I'm going to turn it up a little more to a medium high. So I'm going to put about 4 or 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Have the peanut oil. So I need lots of oil here. So you almost like not deep frying the eggs, but you're going to fry the eggs so they come up fluffy, so you need lots of oil. So first I put the Chinese sausages in. I cut it into small pieces. You want to give a good sear right there. I'm also going to put a little bit of ginger and garlic in there, so about a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic. So I got these onions. Like I say, I got a 50-pound bag of onions, so I need to work through the onions. And just so happened, one of my viewers, one of his favorite dishes is a Chinese sausage with onions and scrambled eggs. So that's the reason I'm making this dish. I've eaten variations of this dish before. There's salt in the Chinese sausage, but I'll just put a little bit in there, say half teaspoon. And I'm going to put a bit of soy sauce in there. A couple tablespoons of the regular soy sauce, just a light soy sauce. So next I'm just going to put the egg in there, so just move everything off to one side. Put some egg there and put the rest over the Chinese sausage and the onions. So now you're just gonna toss the eggs with the Chinese sausage. So I'm not sure if this is the way that my viewer, he was saying this is what he likes, but I'm not sure if this is the way he had it before. So I was thinking about scrambling the eggs first and then adding the onion and sausage on top. But in the end, I'm just going to go this way. So this is probably not a Chinese village recipe. It's probably more of a fusion Chinese American or Chinese Canadian type of recipe. So there you have it. Scrambled eggs with Chinese sausage and onions. Enjoy. So for more color, you can add say half a cup of green onions on top. There you have it. Scrambled eggs with Chinese sausage and onions, topped with green onions. Enjoy. The recipes you get now is what I call stay-at-home recipes. This is what I have in my fridge. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Put it in the comments in the section below, and be sure to give me a like, and be sure to subscribe, and make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos.